Hi, I am Partho. In this video, I'll show you how to create a CV in Microsoft Word. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you like the video. Let's start. At first, create a Microsoft Word document and create a blank page. Then go to Insert, Shapes, take the rectangular shape, click it, and now drag with the mouse. Fill it to the whole page. Change the color. Go to Design, Themes, and I am choosing these themes. You can choose any themes you want. Go to Fill, Gradient Fill. Now here, remove the gradient fill. You can see the option. Only keep two gradient cursor there, two gradient point. Change the color. You can keep 3, 4, whatever you want. Now take another rectangular, create a shape just like this. Now resize the shape. Change the shape color. Change the color of the shape whatever you want. Now take the circular shape. Now by pressing shift and left mouse button together, drag it so it creates a circular shape. I already created this before, so I am just copy pasting it from another document. Paste it. You can select the text box by just clicking on the outline. Then by using the arrow key, fit it to the page. From the layout menu, you can change the spacing. Spacing is the space between two lines. Change the spacing to make it nicer. I am just going to keep it to 4 pt. In professional skills section, make sure to add skills which is related to the job position in which you are applying. Now add some personal skills. You can add these personal skills to any CV or any position you are applying. Drag it down a little bit. Take a shape for the headings. Take another line shape and by pressing shift, drag the mouse from the arrow point by pressing the left mouse key. Now from the format shape options in the right, change the colors of the shapes. Go to the shape effects and choose the effects you like. Now right click on the shape and choose add text. Click type about me. Insert a text box. Insert a text box and drag below about me. Resize the shape. I created the CV before, so now I am just copy pasting it. You also need to adjust the spacing and make sure you keep the same spacing to the whole page. You need to group the two shapes so you can copy it easily later. Click on the About Me and press Ctrl C and again Ctrl V and drag it down with the arrow key. Now click on the outline of text box and press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and drag it down with the arrow key. Click inside the box and press Ctrl A. Go to the other document, select the section you want to add, press Ctrl C, come back to the page and press Ctrl V and change the spacing of each line. In some places the audio is muted. I do not want to bore you. Again click on the shape, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, drag it down. Click on the text box, press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, drag it down. Select the content inside box. By pressing Ctrl A, go to the other page and copy paste the content. In the same way, add 3 more sections. Do not worry, we will change the headings later. Just watch it and wait. In the professional experience section, add the professional experience you have, like the job title, company name, joining date, end date, job responsibilities. In the educational qualification section, add the educational qualification you have, like high school degree, graduation degree, etc. In the strength section, add the strengths you have. You can just copy paste from here. This strengths applies to everyone. Now In the certificate section, add your other qualities or certificates you have like computer knowledge, advanced course, some online course, Microsoft course, etc. On the left, create another text box and add the languages you know. Keep the title of the box as languages and then format all the text box in the top side as no fill. At last, check the whole document for errors like grammar, punctuation before saving it. I made a mistake. I did not add any name. Let me add it. At first, drag down all the text boxes from the left, copy paste a text box and type the name. This is it. Your CV or resume is ready to send. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button and press the bell icon for notification. Have a great day.